Hello guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on how to adjust your mirrors and what you need to see when adjusting your mirrors. So let's have a look at my car. So what we've got in my car is on the right hand side of the steering wheel we've got these switches. We've got this mirror switch and we've got this left and right switch. This left and right switch will select the mirror, so it might select the left mirror and it might select the right mirror. Once you've selected the mirror, you can use this button to adjust the mirror to the right, to the left, down or up. It's very, very simple. Now let's have a look at the mirrors moving in action. So there's my right hand door mirror, and what I'm now going to do is I'm going to move the mirror with that mirror button that I was talking about. So I'm going to press the button to the right and the mirror moves to the right. I'm going to press the button to the left and the mirror moves to the left, up and down and so on and so forth. That, what you can see now, is what you need to be able to see in the right hand door mirror. So you can see we've got the back door handle, we've very, very slightly just got the front door handle, we've got about a thumb's width of the back of the car, we're not looking up into the clouds and we're not looking down to the ground. Let's check out the left hand one, shall we? The left hand one looks a bit like this. Again, I can move it with the mirror if I want to, but again, I've got the back door handle in the bottom corner, about a thumb's width of bodywork, not looking up into the clouds, not looking directly down at the ground. And that's how you set your side mirrors. So that was a whistle-stop tour of how to adjust your side mirrors. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to comment, feel free to comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you on the next one.